If getting up from a chair feels harder than it used to, if climbing stairs leaves you winded, or if you've noticed your legs just don't feel as strong as they once did, what I'm about to share could change everything. There's one food that 92-year-old marathon runners eat almost daily. And it's not what you think. It's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, but you're eating it the wrong way. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal exactly what this food is, why it works so powerfully after 60, and the simple trick that makes it 3 times more effective. But first, let me show you why your legs are losing strength in the first place. Here's what's happening inside your legs right now. After 60, you lose about 3% of your muscle mass every single year. That's called sarcopenia, and it's why those stairs feel steeper and why your balance isn't what it used to be. But here's the thing most doctors don't tell you. This isn't just about aging, it's about a specific protein deficiency that happens in your muscles. And conventional advice about eating more protein? That's only half the story. The real breakthrough came when researchers discovered that timing matters more than quantity. Eating protein at the wrong time is like watering a plant in the dark. It just doesn't work the same way. Now, before I reveal the #1 food, let me show you the 2 mistakes that are making your leg weakness worse. Mistake number 1. Eating all your protein at dinner. I know. That's when most of us have our biggest meal. But your muscles can only process about 25 to 30 grams of protein at once. The rest? Your body just converts it to glucose or stores it as fat. Research from the Journal of Nutrition showed that spreading protein throughout the day increased muscle synthesis by 25% in adults over 60. That's huge. Mistake number 2. Choosing incomplete proteins. Not all protein is created equal. Your leg muscles need all 9 essential amino acids to rebuild properly. Miss even one, and it's like trying to build a wall with missing bricks. The whole structure weakens. And this is where our mystery food comes in. Because this food has something special that makes it the ultimate muscle builder for people over 60. But there's a catch, and I'll explain that in just a moment. First, let me tell you about the 78-year-old woman who went from needing a walker to hiking 3 miles a day. Margaret couldn't walk to her mailbox without stopping twice. Her doctor said it was just age. But Margaret didn't accept that. She started eating this one food every single morning. Not in huge amounts, just a simple, specific portion. Within 3 weeks, she noticed she could stand longer while cooking. Within 2 months, she climbed a full flight of stairs without holding the railing. 6 months later, she was hiking with her grandchildren. Her secret wasn't expensive supplements or hours at the gym. It was this one food, eaten the right way, at the right time. Now, you're probably thinking, just tell me what the food is. And I will. But stick with me for 30 more seconds, because there's a specific way you need to prepare it, or you'll miss out on 40% of its muscle-building power. The food is eggs. But not just any eggs, and not eaten any old way. Here's why eggs are the ultimate leg-strengthening food after 60. First, they contain all 9 essential amino acids in perfect ratios. They're the gold standard that all other proteins are measured against. Second, eggs contain leucine, the amino acid that literally flips the muscle-building switch in your body. And here's the kicker. Older adults need 40% more leucine than younger people to trigger the same muscle growth. One egg gives you about 0.5 grams, and you need about 2.5 to 3 grams per meal to maximize muscle synthesis. That means 2 to 3 eggs per meal is your target. Third, eggs have vitamin D, which research shows is crucial for leg strength. A study in the Journal of Gerontology found that low vitamin D levels were directly linked to weaker leg muscles and poor balance in seniors. But here's the game changer. You need to eat the whole egg, not just the whites. Why? The yolk contains something called phosphatidylcholine, which helps your muscles absorb and use the protein more efficiently. And the preparation method? Don't overcook them. Hard-boiled is fine, but the protein becomes harder to digest when it's cooked at high heat for too long. Soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled on medium heat preserves the most bioavailable protein. Now, let me show you exactly how to eat eggs for maximum leg strength. Here's your simple daily protocol. Morning. Start with 2 to 3 eggs within an hour of waking up. This is crucial. Your muscles are most receptive to protein in the morning after fasting overnight. Add some spinach or kale for extra magnesium. Your muscles need it to contract properly. One study showed that people who ate eggs at breakfast had 25% better muscle response to resistance training compared to those who ate the same amount of protein at dinner. Afternoon, lunch. Another serving of protein here could be eggs again, or fish, or Greek yogurt. Remember, spread it out. Your muscles can't stockpile protein like a savings account. Evening. Keep your protein moderate at dinner. Your body's muscle-building machinery slows down at night anyway. The bonus move. Do this one thing after eating your eggs, and you'll triple the benefit. Stand up and do 10 slow squats, or even just standing up and sitting down from a chair 10 times. This nutrient timing trick tells your muscles, use this protein right now. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that combining protein intake with even light resistance movement increased muscle protein synthesis by up to 200%. But there's one more thing you need to know. A common medication that millions of seniors take can completely block the benefits of eating eggs. If you're taking statins or acid reflux medication, listen carefully. These can reduce your body's ability to absorb the nutrients from eggs, especially the B vitamins and amino acids. Talk to your doctor about timing. You might be able to take your medication at a different time to maximize absorption. Never stop medication without medical guidance, but knowing this can help you adjust. Now, here are 3 bonus tips to supercharge your results. 1. Add pepper. Black pepper increases nutrient absorption by up to 20%. Just a sprinkle on your eggs makes a difference. 2. Pair with vitamin C. A small glass of orange juice or some bell peppers with your eggs helps your body absorb the iron and other minerals. 3. Don't skip the fat. Cook your eggs in a little olive oil or butter. Fat helps you absorb the vitamin D and other fat-soluble nutrients. Plus, fat slows digestion, giving your muscles more time to use the amino acids. One 67-year-old man told me he went from struggling with leg pain and weakness to being able to play with his grandkids on the floor, all within 12 weeks of following this simple egg protocol. But remember, consistency is everything. One day of eggs won't change your life, but eating them daily, the right way, for 60 to 90 days, that's when you'll notice your legs feeling stronger, your balance improving, and those stairs becoming easier again. So here's your action plan. Start tomorrow morning with 2 to 3 whole eggs, cooked gently. Do this daily. Add light movement right after, and give it 60 days. Your legs are counting on you. They want to carry you through your 70s, 80s, and beyond. This simple food can help make that happen. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips for people over 60. Drop a comment and tell me, will you try the egg protocol? I read every single comment. Remember, getting older doesn't mean getting weaker. Sometimes you just need to eat the right food at the right time. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong.